Hello, welcome to Kate's Aid. Today is my second day driving the tandem truck, and today I'm hauling wheat to United Grain, which is super exciting. So my second lesson and my second day driving the tandem truck. I'm very excited to take you along, and I hope you enjoy. Right now we're at the grain bins, and I actually harvested this field in one of my videos, so that's super exciting, and this is the grain bin site of my grain bin tour video also. Now I'm going to get in the tandem truck, and the difference between a tandem truck and a semi is a tandem truck is smaller.
Push the yellow button in. Push B. Or is it flashing or did it go in?
No, it's not flashing.
Okay, it's in gear then. You just gotta let the clutch out slow till the truck starts to move, and then hold it for a minute. Easy. Turn. Away from the sticker. Okay, now feed a little throttle in it nice and smooth. Keep the turn going. Follow the. Look over here where you're going. Look here. Follow the tracks. You don't need more than about half throttle till you get to about 8th gear. Just don't help make the words. Hands on the wheel. We're gonna hang to this side a little bit, Kate. Okay, now just angle over there towards that stop sign. Turn. You're kind of sitting on the front wheels, Kate. Look down the road. Are you coming?
Nope.
Okay, then just keep on easing it out. You can add a little gas. Scaring the horses even. Okay, just about half throttle and let it run through the gears. What gear are you in?
5.
Okay, it won't even start running until it gets to 7 or 8. Just hold it there and let it shift. Okay, leave it there. What gear are you in?
9.
Okay, now you can start putting a little throttle.
What speed do you want me at?
About 50, 65, 60, between 55 and 60. So here's proof you're driving the truck, Kate.
Yes, oh my gosh, and it's so fun.
Yeah.
Very exciting. Thank you for the wonderful lessons, Dad.
Yeah. Why my hair is white.
That is probably true.
Partly. Then we're to continue to slow down a little bit on the way down. You know, you want to brake a little bit and let it.
Because your brakes will burn, and I remember
Well,
you
just
told me.
let them cool, you know. But you have to get off them a little bit too, so they're not just lightly rubbing. You got to turn right and left, right beyond that yellow sign. So you go a little bit on the throttle.
Where that red barn is?
Yeah, but we're going the other way.
Oh, left. I got it. Oh, my blinker was
Okay,
still on.
get off the throttle. Turn. Now let it out. Let the clutch out and step on the gas.
Major. What did I do? United Grain, where I did the video How Farmers Make Money, and I showed the process of hauling your grain there, and then also kind of how the elevator operates.
Okay.
Oh, stop here, unroll tarps.
Yes.
And clutch?
Clutch first. Brake.
So clutch and then brake?
Yeah. Neutral. Stop. Stop. Brake.
Out?
Yes.
Now we're getting out to untarp the truck.
Yeah.
We just made it to United
Let's go.
Grain. There's even this sign that says stop here and unroll tarp, so that's exactly what we're doing. So I just unrolled this tarp here. It's this black thing right here, and a wonderful second day driving tandem truck, and it's my second lesson with my dad on this, so maybe it could be a whole little series. Now I'm going to go get in the tandem truck again, and here's the elevator right here. So we're going to weigh, tell them who we are, and then go in and dump, and my dad will get that all on camera.
Up here. See?
Why is it going? It's going.
It's brake.
Clutch?
Brake. Stay on the brake.
But
You don't have to push hard on it. You just gotta. I mean, we could have locked it, but then you gotta release it.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, next time I'll make you lock it. Okay, now you gotta kind of angle over toward that thing. In with the clutch. Brake and clutch. Now, push D. Is it blinking?
Yep. No,
Is
it's
it
not.
Okay, now kind of cruise over by the window, over by that thing. And you're clutching and braking right there too. Pull over there. Stop. Now you gotta go a little further. Stop. Right there. Neutral. I gotta get out and do this. Good afternoon.
Hello.
We're winter.
That's great, thank you. Yep.
Okay, just let it kind of idle off their scale. Okay?
It's still red though.
And what you're going to do is watch this guy in your mirror when you go past him. Stay centered on this. And get ready for the clutch and brake.
Tell me when.
When he tells you in his mirror. Keep going up. Now clutch now. Look at it. Do you want you
No.
here? Don't brake and clutch. Stop.
No, he didn't say stop. He says keep going.
Okay. Okay. Neutral thing. Okay. Now keep the clutch in and put this up.
This up.
Pull that thing, the black thing up and move it forward.
So basically, as you can see in the mirror, I'm lifting up my box in my truck right there. And I have to wait. And he tells me when to lift it more. And when I lift it more, I pull this little part up and back. And that is the raise body button, so that's what that means. And then to lower body, I'll lift it up and push it forward. And my dad's taking the other camera out to video some other footage, but I have to stay in here right now. This is a little cab tour for you while we're in here. This is my blinker, so right and left, but unlike a car, it doesn't automatically come back. Okay, so down. So right now my body of my truck is being lowered through this button right here. You pull up with your fingertips like this and lower. So it's coming down right now and I'm just watching it in the mirror. And I'm going to wait till it's fully down and then I'll just release it.
Let up.
It's up. It let up. My dad was just telling me to let up, but I was able to see through my mirror. That's the great thing about these trucks is you have this mirror and then this mirror, and then you have two identical on that side, and then you also have these two mirrors here.
Okay, push the clutch in and take the PTO out.
Okay, now I'm taking the PTO out. Is it in the middle or out? Okay, so there's out.
Okay, get in. Let's get going. We gotta get out of here.
Yes, like my dad said, I have to go back through the scales, so that basically says what you weighed when you were empty and what you weighed with the grain in it. And then they'll know how much grain you had.
Thank you, and your receipt will print underneath that little plastic window there.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
No. Now my dad and I are back, and I had such an amazing time driving tandem truck. I learned a lot today too because it's my second lesson. And also right now I'm standing in a field that we planted with lentils, so I want to show you kind of what they look like as they're starting up because you saw the wheat. This is what they look like right here. This little plant is a lentil. All these plants here are lentils in this whole entire field. So that's the elevator over there. They're just starting to break ground. I had such a wonderful driving truck. So Dad, how do you think I did driving tandem truck for my second time?
It was scary. Scary.
Very scary. And do you remember anything from when you were driving truck when you were little and how early you started and kind of what you remember? You did have to shift with the clutch.
Well, this has a clutch too, Kate. You need to remember that more.
Yes.
But yeah, I started probably at about 7. I couldn't push the clutch in unless I slid into the front of the front seat, and then I could get the clutch down and shift, and then I'd pop back up on the seat so I could see the drive.
That is absolutely hilarious, and my dad thinks I'm just now big enough to use the clutch, and this clutch is easier on this tandem truck.
It is easier than the other one.
So that's pretty awesome, and I'm so thankful I got to learn how to do that, so thank you, Dad.
You're welcome, Kate.
And it's a wonderful, beautiful day in Montana. It is a little bit windy out today, but not too bad. It's pretty nice out, actually. So here's the wonderful fields. As you can see, this is Montana. No trees anywhere. Where you see the trees were old homesteads. So for example, my great-grandfather, where he homesteaded, and he homesteaded our farm in 1912, where he immigrated from Denmark. And then that's another old homestead there, but no one lives there anymore. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and learned a little bit more about how your food gets to your table. And also, I hope you enjoyed watching me drive tandem truck for the second time. I had so much fun doing that. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more videos like this. And also follow KTEG on Instagram, KATES_AG, and on Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, everywhere basically. And also don't forget to visit the KTEG website, www.kteg.com, to learn a little bit more about my story. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!